In this video, we will do Git Rebase and tagging in a remote repository. For the first thing we will do is open the Visual Studio Code. So already some files are open over here. So I will do Ctrl F10, which will clear these files. Now over here, I'll open a folder. Always open a new folder for each and every experiment. I'll create some random new folder. Okay, man. Okay. I'll create a folder name as random and I'll select this folder. I'll open a terminal in this folder, new terminal. Now I need to do is open my GitHub. Here I need to create a new repository. I'll name the repository as random and always keep it public. Create repository. Once you have created a repository, if you want, you can make use of this command like brushing it up in your exam. So you can see the option creating a new file. I'll click on this. Now I will name my file as FILE file and I'll add a text for as a content is line 1. So I'll add this as line 1. The content is line 1. I'll commit the changes. I'll simply keep it as commit 1. I'll commit the changes. Now for rebase, we need 2 branches. So now we are done with one branch main. So I will create another branch called new. We have to click this create branch new from main. Now I have to edit this file in a new branch. I'll click on edit in place. In second line, I'll add line 2 and take a note one thing that don't change line 1 itself because you will end up in having conflicts. So we'll waste some time over there. So make it clean and crisp. Now I'll take this commit message as it is and after doing these two things, get back to your repository. Now copy the HTTPS code. Once you're done with this, get back to Visual Studio Code. Over here, run the command git clone and I'll use Ctrl V. Click on enter. It will clone this file random. See, the random from GitHub is now in my random folder. So you can see this is line 1 in main branch and the next line 2 is in new branch. I will use Rebase to get both the lines in the same branch. So now what I'll do is I need to get inside this folder to use git commands. So I'll use cd, then type just some 1 or 2 letters. I will type RAN, then click on tab. That's it. See, now we are in the folder random of the git. So you can see the main is visible now, or even it is visible over here in the left side. If this shows means now git is tracking, you do not use git init over here. Now I will type git rebase new. Okay, there is a error. That is I have to do is git rebase origin slash new. Whenever you're working with a remote repository, you have to use the keyword origin. Now I have successfully rebased. You can see the line 1 and line 2 are visible now. So now how to create a tag? So I will again create a new repository for tagging. Okay, create over here itself. Okay, I'll create the new repository as tag. Tagging is both in VTU lab site. It is having both local and remote. So I will show you remote and local will be also coming in another video. Name it as file. I'll add C1 I'll commit the changes as C1, commit this change. Again, go to this file. I'll add another commit on it. Two commits are max to max. I'll add three, let it be. Let us do three commits. Let the commit message let it be the same. Now I'll add another commit, the final commit, that is C3. I'll add 3 lines. For each line, I have created a commit now. So now I have done. I will go to my tag repository. I'll copy the HTTPS link which will be there over here. Okay, so I'll copy this now. I will come to Visual Studio. Now we are done with the rebase. I'm showing you how to do tagging. Control Shift and new window of it will open. I'll create a new folder for this. I'll create tag, click on enter. The folder is now successfully created. Select this folder, open the terminal, run the command git clone control V. Now we are done with this. So we need to get inside that folder. Again, as I said, type cd and click on T. So what will it do is inside the tag folder, it will search for this letter, and whichever the folder matches with this, it will get into that folder. Which one click on tab, you can see it get inside tag, code inside tag. I click on enter. I'm inside the Git repository. I'll click more here in this file. You can see C1, C2, C3 are the 3 lines which I added. So now to use to create a tag, I need to have the commit ID. For that, I will use the command git log hyphen 1 line. Now this will give, see there are 3 commits which I have created. There are 3. So now I will copy the unique 7-digit code and I'll run the command git tag. I'll take it. You can give anything. I'll give it as v1.0. Okay, it was a third commit. I will take it as v3.0. Then followed by the commit ID cp828d0. Now for that commit, v tag 3.0 is created. I will create this for control C. I'll just change it as v2.0 control V. Again control C. Get tag v1.0. Just ignore the sound, guys. Yeah, we are now back. So what we are doing is we have now created the tags for the 3 commits. Now we will run a command called git tag. So when I type this command, it shows all the comments. So okay, so it's showing v1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Now to push this into a remote repository, I use the command. So we use the command git push origin followed by the tag name v1.0. See, it will be uploaded over there. So when I come over here and I'll do a refresh, the tag v1.2 has been successfully pushed to here. See, one tag v1.2. I'll push in the same procedure. I will push 2 other tags. I'll use let me click the cursor. Yeah, I'll use push 2. Let me do 3.0, 3.0, and also 2.0. Now I have successfully pushed all the 3. I will come out here. I'll do a refresh in my tag repository. Yeah, 3 tags is visible right now. If you do this much, you will get 50 out of 50, and if you are good with VBA, 7 basic stuff, you will get 100 on 100 marks. Thank you.